Hello students, this is my third attempt in making this video tutorial. My computer keeps crashing up. Hopefully this time I will be successful. Now this is your last assessment that you have to work on. This is a mandatory unit, students. You have to work on this assessment. If you have done all other assessment and you don't do this, you will still not achieve level 2. So therefore this is a must. A very important assessment. Student name, write your name, course level 2. Leave group as it is, and put your signature in there, and write the date as well. Type in the date. Next part is where it says learner name, write your name, and here learner comments, write few comments, few lines about regarding the assessment, what you did, how did it, and so things. Now this spreadsheet file I have, we did work on in your assessment. I know that some of the students, we already did that, but I still want you to do it one more time, students, for this assessment, and you have to do the all calculation using the formulas. I have given you the formula here. Apply the formula and calculate total trade income, treatment commission, and income. You have to complete the spreadsheet in a spreadsheet document and spreadsheet file and send me as an attachment. So send me as an attachment with this completed assessment. I'll be quickly going through the questions one by one. Here, task one, you have to type the answer under the question, save the under the question, and say once you finish it all, save it and send me as an attachment. First question is, describe the method, skills, and resources required to complete the task successfully. Method used to carry out the given task, the task about a spreadsheet task. How did you do that? You entered the data into a spreadsheet document, then you applied the formula to calculate total trade income, treatment room income, treatment commission, and income. What skills you need? You need to know how to do the computer, how to use a spreadsheet software, how to use mathematical functions and formulas. Resources you required are spreadsheet software, printer, and a computer. How do you plan to carry out using IT achieve the required purpose and outcome? More or less the answer is repeat, student. You have to type your answer. Even if you say repeat, you can't write same as above. So please type your answer. I plan to carry out the task by entering the data into a spreadsheet document correctly, and then applying the formula to do the calculations, applying page layout, formatting techniques, borders, font size, and so. Please write it in your words. Describe any factors that may affect the task. The what could affect the task: not having a good knowledge of the subject, not knowing how to use a spreadsheet software or formulas, and computer keeps crashing just like mine, and then not knowing how to apply page layout or formatting techniques. So these are some of the factors that may affect the task. What software and resources required? Again, the software is a spreadsheet, resources is a computer, software, printer, paper, so on, students. Describe how the purpose and outcomes have been met, chosen by system and software application. Once again, students, yes, you were able to enter the data, you were able to do the calculations, and you calculated room income, commission, and everything. Read the case scenario which is given about the spreadsheet data, and get some answer from the scenario as well. Describe any legal or local guidelines constraint that may affect the task or activity: plagiarism, copyright policies, data protection policies, using licensed software, genuinely purchased computer or laptop. So these are all some of the local guidelines that may affect the task. Describe the purpose of using IT. It's broad. You can write a lot of things in here. How do you use IT? Where do you use IT? uh, so you can write down in your words, students, saving the work, printing the work, doing the calculations, drawing the charts and graphs, and so on. Review ongoing use of IT tools and techniques to change the approach as needed, using updated software, using a better computer, upgraded computer with a lot of space on it. So you write it in your words. Describe whether IT tools were selected appropriate for the task and purpose. Again, the same question, again, the same, more or less the same answer. Please type in your words. The strength and weakness of the final work. What are the strength of the work? You were able to do the calculation, apply the page format and the page layout techniques, and you were able to take the printout. Weakness is not knowing how to use the formula, how to use the software, and uh, the computers keep crashing, not able to save the work. These are all some of the weakness of your final work. Describe the ways to make improvements, further improvements to work. How can you improve your work further? Apply page layout techniques properly, page font formatting techniques, save your work regularly, set up shortcuts, and so on. 12. Review outcome to make sure they match the requirement and are fit for the purpose. It's a spreadsheet file that you're sending me. That's what it is. Number 13, review the benefits and drawbacks of IT tools and system used in terms of productivity and efficiency. Students, I'll leave this to you. Think, what are the benefits of IT tools you have used? What are the drawbacks of IT tools you have used? Once again, the students, you think and answer. So describe, I will leave this 14, 15 to you. How to improve the productivity and efficiency of the product that you have done. How can you, and that's 14. 15, develop solutions to improve your own productivity using an how can you develop yourself? So that's the, you have to write it. So number 16, nothing much, it's just my observation. I hope this time it works. uh, Hopefully see you all soon in the classroom. Please send me this assessment, completed assessment, to me by end of this week, students. I have to submit your achievements by next week. So please, please, please send both word processing. If you haven't sent me word processing, send me the word processing and also this assessment as soon as possible. Take care then. Bye.